Can you do it one more time?
One more time, really loud.
That was really good.
It's the same way I call you.
Woo! That was really good.
Lester looked up immediately.
Look, Lester's like.
She can dance 80.
That's what you just did.
I think we're like this.
That's great.
I'm not ready yet. All right, so what do you have in the containers and what are you writing on top?
This is blackberry jam that I'm getting ready to distribute, but I don't have fancy labels, so.
This is my jam. This is my jam with the date. Oh, well, that's pretty fancy.
Well,
And those are for who?
we're gonna go to Morrow Hill, and I'm gonna offer this in exchange for something.
Oh, in exchange for what?
Okay, so we have two options.
Is this legal? Okay.
This is bartering, okay?
Oh, we're gonna barter, okay.
We're gonna barter for a video of one of two things.
Them dancing like the 80s?
Or
Oh.
their cattle call.
Yes, that's
so they
wonderful.
can make a cattle call, or they can dance like the 80s.
Oh.
But you know, this is my jam.
I
so,
hope they'll dance like the 80s.
Yeah, so that's what's going down.
This is gonna be fun.
Hey y'all, we are about to do a little Morrow Hill roundup. I'm excited because there's actually a few people home. It is about to storm, so there's a little smidge of rush behind everything we're about to do here. I know that Lester is feeding up really quick, but I need him to go with me. So I might have to help. I might have to help the cause and move things along a little faster. Babe! I don't know where he went. All right, I'm making my way down. I got everybody fed over here. Barbie, Tigger, it's gonna rain. Although I don't think either one of them are fazed by that scenario at all. Let's see here. Whose house first? Maybe we'll start here and go here and go here and then go there. Who knows? Lester's gonna have to catch up with me though, because he's out making a video and talking to his most favorite animal, Angel. All right, so true story. It started out as a really beautiful day. And I do have all my jam right here that I'm about to offer in trade. Hi, Moosey. Hi. Hello. Oh my goodness. Hi, baby. How are you? You smell of Christmas? Yo, you're just like her. Hi, Sav. She's like, ooh, what's in the bag? What's in the bag? Oh, the wind is probably ruining this video. Hello. Oh, they're like, oh yeah, she's safe. I got the approval. All right. Y'all want to make a video? I'm going to offer you a gift in trade. You have two options. Both y'all. You can earn two.
Why does our bag say ho ho ho?
It's not your bag, it's my bag. And it's full of blackberry jam.
Oh my god!
Okay? So,
I polished the other one off 2 days ago.
all right, so this is an offer in exchange for either dancing like you did in the 80s, even though I don't think either one of you were born in the 80s, like you would if you were in the 80s, or give me your cattle call.
Oh, okay. I'm not good at it. Like
That's okay. I'm not good at it either. But this is the opportunity for 2 jars.
I'll make you a deal. If someone can tell me or show me how an 80s person danced, I'll do the dance if you do the cattle call. Okay.
You're gonna have to talk to your Uncle Lester about that whole like 80s dance
you
thing.
want me to do a Lester move?
You just do an 80s dance. Like what you think people dance like in the
I
80s.
do the running band like this. Okay. And then,
That was 90s, Jake.
okay, well,
All right. You win.
alright, and then his cattle call sometimes will go.
That was really good.
Lester looked up immediately.
Look, Lester's like, you missed it all, babe. You missed it all. They just earned 2 jars. Here you go. go.
What do we gotta do for a third? We gotta beg!
I was seriously telling him yesterday I need to find that other jar. I know I have it. I put it in the fridge, and I was tearing apart our whole fridge looking for my one little jar.
Well, now you got 2 refills.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, so it turns out that Dan and Lou are outside. I am walking around with jam, homemade blackberry jam. If you will either dance like you did in the 80s or do your best cattle call.
Dance like I did in the 80s?
Yes,
Or cattle call?
either one.
Oh yeah, I'll do a cattle call for sure. That's how you dance in the 80s.
Let me see what you got, Lou.
I don't remember.
Come on, do that again. That's how you dance in the 80s.
That's not how I danced in the 80s. I was like 10 in the 80s.
See, I was a baby in the 80s too. But it's okay, Lou, however you danced or however you think.
Remember.
How do you think people dance in the 80s?
Show us what you just did.
I just went like this.
That's great.
All right,
Dan?
cattle call.
Cattle call or dance, either one. That was pretty dang good. Yes,
You're not playing the 80s music.
but I don't need it. Lou didn't need any music. I promise you.
Dance 80s.
What do you?
I was just a baby in the 80s.
Come back over here, Lou. Please. 80s
Yeah.
dance challenge.
Oh, this is my jam. I get it.
You get it? This is my jam.
Please, Bree. Please, Lou. Jake, will y'all please come do this?
They did it. You missed Jake dancing.
With no music, it's not dancing. Anyone can
Jake?
just do anything.
Jake, you gotta redo.
I gotta do it to music?
One more time,
Come
please.
on, Jake.
I'm gonna do the same move I do
Jake wasn't alive in the 80s.
That's what I said. Dance like you think people danced in the 80s. All right.
Hold on, let me jump over the plants.
The plants are beautiful.
Let me hear some 80s music.
So this is a TikTok challenge. Are you ready, Jake?
Uh-huh.
You don't hear it ahead of time. You're just going to dance to it. Dan, come dance with Jake.
Well, I want to hear the music first.
No, you got to just come dance. Close your eyes so you don't watch each other. Or what do you
I just did a cow call.
Yeah, they had an option. They
Here we go.
fulfilled their.
Y'all
We
ready?
need 2 more jams.
Here we go. Dancing to the 80s. Go.
Hold on, I gotta.
Just keep it right here. Just keep it right here. What's the movie Hitch? Just keep it right here.
Twitch.
No, this is the 80s.
I've never danced like that ever in my life.
Feather's like, I don't know what y'all are doing. I don't know what y'all are doing. Good call on not doing it over, Lou. Yours was way better. Okay.
Do we want to go in the house? Do we want to do it out? It's up to y'all. I'm ready.
Okay. So I'm offering homemade blackberry jam
Okay.
in exchange for an 80s dance and a cattle call.
An 80s dance.
I know you were not alive.
And you just dance how you think
Hi,
they danced
Cash.
in the 80s. How would they have danced in the 80s? Here we go. Ready? Don't think about it. Just do it.
Hold on. I got it.
Okay. Oh my God.
That's really good. She's been watching TikTok.
She can dance 80s.
All right.
You gotta feel the
Now,
music,
now
man.
the cattle call. Now the cattle call.
Okay, like I would just call the cows.
Don't
Yeah.
think about it, Just do it. Just do
Okay.
it.
Woo! Look at you go.
Thank you so much. I don't know if I like jam, but I am happy that I won it.
Well, I know someone that would be willing to trade you for other things. If
What
you,
did he get?
he got jam. He's just really they really like to jam.
Oh, so
Oh
I
my-
made their pantry. I'm gonna try it though.
Okay.
I was a clear winner of y'all's contest.
You're doing really good, Bree. I got to be honest. Hi, Carter.
Hey, can you do an 80s dance for us?
Can you dance for us?
Just do a little dance.
Wait,
Any dance you think of.
can you dance?
I'll play the music for you. It'll help if you hear the music. Oh my God. You ready? Here's the dance.
Let's do that music and dance to it. Oh, yeah,
Dance.
dance.
Oh yeah! Way to go, Carter.
Is that all you got?
You dance like your papa.
That's all she got.
Okay, can you call cows?
How do we call the cows? What noise does Mama do when I need to call the
You don't know? It goes. Can you do it one more time?
One more time, really loud.
That was really good.
Cheeto face and everything.
I love it. She is a teeny tiny little baby. What's her name?
Birdie.
Aw, hi Birdie.
All right,
G, do you like blackberry jam?
I love blackberries.
Okay.
We're going to offer you Jamie made some blackberry jam, but you got to do two things for us.
Okay.
Two things. Number one, give us your best cattle call. Number two, you're going to dance like you did in the 80s to a very short snippet of 80s music.
I can do that.
Cattle call first, whenever
Okay.
you're ready.
Well, first of all, do we mean when we're calling the cows up?
Yes.
Or on the song,
No,
like
no.
cattle call, like.
The actual cattle call, calling the cows up from the back.
Oh.
I can do that.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Dang!
She's better than Jake.
She is
You are
better
100
than
times
Jake.
better than Jake.
That's
And Dan.
impressive.
That's
All right.
also how I call Papa.
Oh.
So you got a lot
Well,
of
great.
practice.
He'll be coming then.
Here we go. Here's a fun one. Come a little closer so we can hear the music. You ready?
Yeah.
And dance like you did in the 80s.
All right, I'm going to do the stomp to that. 1, 2, 3.
All right.
And you dance better than Lou, Jake, Bree. Oh, okay. Look at my mom.
Go G.
Look at my mama go. Oh, Mom. Okay, Mom, you can stop now. Lord. Boy, you get... I'm playing. That was good.
That, see?
Hold on a
Same
second.
thing that you...
So
No, call your cows up.
Paw Paw came in and I said, "Do you like blackberry jam?" And he said, "Yes." And I said,
He was singing it, the cattle call.
"I don't even know about that. That never even."
Not quite.
I have never
We
in
all
my
sat around
life.
singing when we were young.
He would turn that on so loud and to wake Bria.
I have never heard of that before. But I want to, so I was wondering if you would trade me a real cattle call for some homemade jam. Oh. Okay. Okay.
My mom still took that one. My mom still has the best cattle call.
It's the same way I call you.
I love it. That is amazing.
I bet that they would if I went out and hollered.
No, Dad sounds like a bull.
Thank you. All right, I'm at Buddy and Steph's, but they are not home. Now, Steph told me that I could put it on her back porch, and I'm going to very carefully walk through the yard here, not because I worry about like ruining anything in their yard, but because I'm terrified of snakes. It just got done raining. I almost stepped on a snake at G and Pops' house. Lester had to kill it. It was a fiasco. So I'm gonna stick this right here for them, and they owe me a dance and a cattle call. All right, still very diligently walking across. I will send Steph and Buddy a message. They're out of town, and see if they will be too embarrassed to dance like the 80s or do a cattle call.
Cattle call.
My cattle call?
Yep.
Here we go. Come on, cow. Come on, cow. Let's go, cows. Is that how you call them?
Yeah, that's great.
Let's see how it's done. How's that cattle call?
All right, last stop, Sister Kim's house.
How much you want to bet she dances just like me, my mom, and Bree and everybody else?
Oh my gosh, did your mom teach everyone to dance?
Yep.
Right there in the living room, I'm guessing. So I've come with a gift for you. I've
Why
made,
are you looking off over that direction?
I'm waiting for Jamie to do her
I
part.
made blackberry jam, and I wanted to know if you would like to make a trade for an 80s dance and a cattle call.
dance like you did in the 80s.
I'm not wearing a bra.
Keep your top covered up then. Keep your hands
She's
ready.
like, what she's saying is she needs her hands.
Mom, I'll hold your shirt tight in the back.
No, that's even worse.
Ready? Here's this music. Ready? Ready?
What kind of music is it?
80s, go! Go!
Okay, I'm good.
All right. Now I need to hear your best cattle call, Kim. Dang!
She is good. She earned her jelly. You earned your jelly.
All right. So Lester, even though he doesn't have to do this for jelly or jam, wanted to participate in the competition.
I can't let my mom beat us all. My mom is good. Are you ready?
I'm ready. That was pretty good. Look, Millie's like, I'm here. Present.
I'm not ready yet. Let's start this over. You messed me up, babe. Start the darn music. Hank, move out of my way. Dang it, Hank.
Well, you've seen everyone cattle call, and now you've seen almost everybody give us their best 80s dance too. So now it's time to vote. Who did it best? Hi.
And you dance better than Lou, Jake. Oh my God.
That's really good. She's been watching TikTok. That's great.
Right here. Won't move hitch. Just keep it right here.
Twitch.
No, this is the 80s.